Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and I'm here with my buddy Rusty. And he's a golden doodle, and although golden doodles don't shed very much, they are notorious for getting matted. So we have to brush Rusty every day, and that is why this grooming brush from MalsiPree is really nice. What we like about it is it has a nice heft to it. It's solid feeling, so you know how if you're brushing a dog and he licks you or something and you drop it, it's not going to fall apart. It's got a nice comfortable handle. We like using both sides of the brush, the one to get out mats and things like that, and the other one to keep them from happening and to get some of that loose hair that's going to come off of him. We both like about it is he doesn't seem to mind it. Like, he doesn't run away when he sees the brush come out. He actually will sit and stay and likes to be brushed. He'll be happy and licking me, and his tail doesn't go down. So he seems to like the brush a lot too, which is very helpful. What I like about it too is the dematting side. Inside the little claws are these sharp little edges, so that when it does get caught in a mat, it cuts through it, and that way you can get that mat out really easily instead of pulling on the hair and pulling on their skin. So that's what we like about the MalsiPree grooming brush, and it's Rusty approved, and that's our point of view.